Hey guys, Star here. If you're an agency owner and you primarily work with course creators, coaches, or any industry that uses certificates, then you're going to want to tune in to this training. I'm going to show you how you can use Snapshots to send over certificate templates to other agencies as well as to other sub-accounts with IP protection. I'll also be showing you how you can quickly and easily clone certificate templates to up to 3 sub-accounts within your agency very seamlessly. Let's go ahead and dive in. So you're going to want to be on the agency level. Once you're on the agency level, you're going to go ahead and click on Account Snapshots. Once you've selected Account Snapshots, we're going to go ahead and create a new snapshot. Go ahead and name your snapshot, and then you're going to select the sub-account where those templates currently exist. Then you're going to hit Select. It's going to go ahead and prepare assets. You'll see a list of 200 assets. We're going to be specifically focused on certificates. Here you'll see that we have 8 certificates. I'm going to go ahead and select that. If you click this little arrow, you'll see it expand and you can see all of the certificates. So if there's one certificate that you do not want to add to the snapshot, just go ahead and deselect them. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select Create. Now I've created a snapshot for those certificate templates. Now you'll have several options. You can go ahead and create a new account within your agency utilizing these, or you can go ahead and click on the 3 dots and you can share this snapshot. You can get a permanent link, one-time share, email share, or get agency restricted link, get sub-account restricted link, or get a marketplace link. And if you want to enable the asset protection, go ahead and select this. Then you'll select Get Link, and you can share this link with your users. Now I'm going to show you how you can clone them. You're going to head over to the sub-account where your certificate templates lie. From there, we're going to go ahead and click on Memberships. At the top, we'll click on Credentials. Once you've selected Credentials, you'll have your templates here, or you can create a new template as needed. Once you've identified the certificate that you actually want to share to a sub-account within your agency, you're simply going to click on the 3 dots here and select Clone. Once I've selected Clone, you can rename your template, and you can select up to 3 sub-accounts that you would like to add that template to. So we'll go ahead and add that template to the account that we want to add it to. And again, that can be up to 3. I'm going to go ahead and confirm this. So now you'll see that I'm in one sub-account. I'm going to move over to the other sub-account, and you can see here that that certificate template is now listed. How easy is that? So go ahead and start sharing your certificate templates with your clients, your affiliates, by utilizing snapshots or cloning them directly to their sub-accounts within your agency today. You can go ahead and start using the corresponding help doc below for more information, and don't forget to check out our Content Army playlist for more tutorials like this. Guys, I'll see you in the next training.